how to reset Facebook account password. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook application on your device. And if you have got multiple accounts, you need to log into the account in which you want to make the change. Once you are here, you'll be able to see the various newsfeed in the Facebook. So in order to reset or change your password, you need to go to your account settings. For that, you need to tap on the three-bar horizontal line of the right upper corner. And from over here, you have to tap on settings option, which is right next to the search bar of the upper right section. And here you have to go for see more in account center option. Once you are here, you will be able to see the various options under account settings. You need to go for password and security. Once again, you have to go for change password option. Once you are there, you will be able to see the text field over here. So if you have forgot your password and want to reset it, you have to go for forget your password option. And here you have to choose an option whether you want to get a code via Facebook notification or email. Once you select, you can go for continue option. And by doing that, you can see a notification has been appeared. Finally, you'll be able to create a new password over here. So in this text field, you can tap and enter a new password. And once you're done, you can go for next option. And finally, after that, you will be able to reset Facebook account password. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.